Hey guys, I figured I would do a walk kind of early in the morning. Oh, swamp cicada already, wow. Yep, that's why I was doing a walk early in the morning because that's when the swamp cicadas usually call. So, yeah. And also I feel like in the mornings when more birds are out too. So, oh, swamp cicada again. I'm hearing a southeastern field cricket too. And southern ground crickets. There's some robins over there. What's that? Is that a new cricket species? You heard that, right? Yeah, that might have been something new. It almost kind of reminded me of the confused ground cricket or field cricket. I forgot which one it is, but yeah, it reminded me of that one. I'll have to listen to this. I'll have to listen. I'll have to compare what I just heard to the recording for the confused ground cricket when I get home and see if it matches. Oh, I hear a fall field cricket down here somewhere. And I heard a ruby-throated hummingbird too. I don't know if the camera got it. And the field cricket stopped. I hear a song sparrow too. I hear a robin somewhere. Oh, the wind chimes over at that house are ringing. And I see a hummingbird at that feeder. Alright. I think I just heard an eastern towhee. There's those wind chimes. Colombian trigs. Yeah, that was an eastern towhee. I just heard it again. I hope I hear that cricket over here again. I hear a swamp cicada in the distance. And there goes a bird. It looks like it was a cardinal, a female. And of course it's not calling now, the cricket. I wonder if it Now that I'm thinking about it, I wonder if it could have just been a southeastern field cricket that was struggling to start calling, because I know sometimes they'll space out, like they'll kind of sound. Crickets will kind of do that when they're warming up or something. Southern ground crickets. I hear another swamp cicada. That's a southeastern field cricket. I think it is. I don't know what. I've heard two that sound like that now, like they're spaced they're spaced apart. So I don't know what. I think they're southeastern field crickets, but I'm not for sure. There's some mourning doves. There's a robin down there. Swamp cicada. Yeah, I definitely have more of those right now than I have been. Another one. Wait a minute. Hang on a minute. I'm hearing something down that way. I'm gonna go over there. Yeah, I think I'm hearing an agile meadow Katie did down there. Yep, I am. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's somewhere nearby. I wonder if I could see it. I just heard it. But no, I can't seem to find it. Of course. Oh, a Lenny cicada. Nice. And this meadow Katie did a stop, so I'm gonna go now. Swamp cicada again. Wow, they're everywhere right now. This is probably the most cicada activity I've heard all year. There goes a robin across the road. Those dominate my area. Another one. Southern ground crickets. Southern ground crickets again. I hear another swamp cicada out in the distance. I think I'm hearing a handsome trig faintly. And I just heard a robin. There it is again. Oh, it's right there. Swamp cicada. Yeah, those are everywhere right now. And every time I come down through here, there's always somebody out right there, or they're pulling out in their car. I feel like during the day, that is, not so much at night. I think I'm hearing a house sparrow up that way. Yep, I am. And there's a chicken over there. I don't know if you can see it. It's in that yard. All right, I'm southern ground crickets. All right, I'm approaching the Gile meadow katydids. Swamp cicada again. Hope I already hear them. Wonder who's mowing the grass. Oh, okay, it's that person. I don't know if I'm gonna go over there while he's out, because I will. I'll stop on the way back. Actually, you know what? I'll go. I'll be behind this tree where he can't see me. All right. Yep, I can hear them. All right, I'm gonna go now. I'm hearing handsome trigs now. And that stuff is still there, of course. There's a fall field cricket pretty close. Oh, there's some handsome trigs pretty close. I heard a goldfinch just now. Alright, this is where I heard the short-winged meadow katydids. Yep, I can kind of hear them, alright. I'm going back now. I hear another swamp cicada in the distance. Oh, a Carolina wren. I usually don't hear those while I'm walking. Nice. Goldfinch. And there's a car. Alright, it stopped. Alright. I'll let you listen to these, there's some more agile meadow katydids. Alright. Let's go see if the lesser pine katydids are here. Actually, I don't hear any right now. Yeah, I do, very faintly. Alright, I'm gonna head back. I didn't hear them that well, so I really doubt the camera got it at all. There's a giant meadow katydid kind of close to here. Alright. There's some more right there. Yeah, I hear some fall field crickets over there. I guess that's why they're called field crickets. They like fields. Oh, people. Oh, great. Fall field cricket. Just people leaving their litter out. Ah, it's so bad for the environment. And that guy's outside, so I probably won't stop over there. It looks like he's gone back inside, so I'll stand behind this tree for a minute and listen. Alright, I also am hearing fall field crickets too well from here. Alright, I'm gonna head back now. I hear a Colombian trig. That's cool. I think I've been paying attention more. I think that four-spotted or black corn tree cricket has been coming from that tree right there. I'm pretty sure. I hear a southeastern field cricket right now somewhere. Oh, I hear another swamp cicada in the distance. Yeah, I definitely hear more cicadas up this way. Another swamp cicada. Southern ground crickets. That one sounded a little slower, so I think it might have been a striped ground cricket. But I definitely have more southern ground crickets than those. What was that I just heard? I don't know. Colombian trig. Oh, swamp cicada too. Well, there's some pigeons flying over right now. I hope I got that on video. And there's a dog barking, of course. Swamp cicada. All right, I'm back home now. I'm gonna try to catch this swamp cicada over here calling. It sounds like there's one kind of close. Yep, there it is. All right, one more time. Oh, yep, there. Well, there's also a southern ground cricket calling really fast. Swamp cicada. All right, well, I'm pretty hot right now, so I think I'm gonna end the video here. Bye.